We all love the arrival of a new gadget, something that will make life more convenient and entertaining for yourself, or help you out with a clever gift for a family member or friend. That's why we've put together some of the more interesting and innovative bits of tech out there, right now the coolest new gadgets we think you'll love. In today's video, we will be showing you useful tech everyone will love. Without further ado, let's begin. Nothing Phone 1. The brand Nothing, best known for headphones so far, has had the world of tech enthusiasts patiently waiting for the reveal of their new smartphone. They promised something a little bit different, and they delivered on that. The back of the device is transparent, allowing you to see the inner workings of the device. On top of that, it features a number of LED lights that the company has called glyphs. These lights flash in different ways to inform you of incoming calls, texts, social media notifications, and plenty of other alerts on your device. Elsewhere, the team of Nothing have fit in a solid battery, strong camera performance, and a good display. HyperX Cloud Alpha. HyperX Cloud Alpha are a pair of gaming headphones that offer one thing above all: a fantastic battery life. HyperX claims that these headphones offer 300 hours of battery life. That means that you can use these headphones for just over 12 days straight without a charge, although we would really recommend a break in there somewhere. Other than how long they'll last, these headphones also feature a powerful, crisp sound and a truly excellent microphone quality. Marshall Action 3 Speaker. While it is best known for its towering amps on stage, Marshall has also been building an array of Bluetooth speakers over the years. Now it has launched its third edition of the Action, Stanmore, and Woburn speakers. The Action is the cheapest of the three speakers from Marshall. Like the Stanmore and Woburn, the Action is made using a sustainable design of 70% recycled plastic and vegan materials. Through the use of placement compensation technology, this speaker optimizes the equalization (EQ) based on its surroundings. This means it will adapt and correct for nearby reflective surfaces, which could affect the sound quality. Sony WH-1000XM5. Back in 2018, Sony released what would become one of the best pairs of headphones available, the WH-1000XM3. Since then, we've seen the XM4, and now Sony has followed up with the WH-1000XM5. If you ignore the somewhat painfully dull naming conventions, these, like their predecessors, are some of the best headphones around. Scoring 5-star reviews all around, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are very much designed for those who would rather not splurge on a pair of Apple AirPod Max headphones. In terms of specs and audio, these are extremely similar to Sony renditions from before. They offer market-leading audio across the lows, mids, and highs, excellent noise cancellation, and you get an array of smart ambient features. The biggest difference with these headphones is the design, offering a completely new look to their predecessors. More minimalist and lighter too. Vaha S Fitness Mirror. Sure, you could go to the gym, or the gym could come to you. That's the idea of the Vaha S Fitness Mirror, giving you a full-size mirror that can play over 850 workout classes and connect you with personal trainers in real time. The mirror itself is a 32-inch Full HD touchscreen, complete with 30-watt speakers and a brushed metal finish. While this is without a doubt one of the more impressive home workout options, it is also pretty pricey. The mirror alone will cost you €1,195, and then there is a €39 a month payment to access classes. Therabody Wave Roller. The Therabody Wave Roller takes the traditional model of a foam roller and throws a bunch of tech into it. Through the use of vibration therapy and a wave-style texture, this roller helps to work out all of your aches and pains. It comes with an app that could guide you through a rolling routine, 5 customizable vibration frequencies, and can be used anywhere on the body that needs working out. It takes 110 minutes for a full charge as well, so it'll be ready for you when you're back from an intense footy match. And with LED indicators, it'll let you know when it's done, meaning there's no need to guess. Handy. It'll even switch off automatically after, saving you energy and a few pennies. Bang & Olufsen Beoplay EQ. Ever since the release of Apple's AirPods, the style of wireless earbuds with stems has picked up drastically, and now the design-centric B&O has given it a go. In classic style for the company, these look and feel premium. They are made using a mixture of glass and aluminum and have an IP57 waterproof rating, dust, water, and sand resistant. Each earbud boasts a 9.2mm drive, a microphone, and high-end ANC. They even come with an impressive 28 hours of audio life. While they seem to perform well in all of the key areas, that does also mean a €359 price tag. Samsung M8 Smart Monitor. Squint your eyes and Samsung's new M8 monitor looks identical to Apple's recent colorful iMacs. What a coincidence! However, with an affordable price tag and an overkill of connection options, the Samsung M8 could be the perfect monitor for a lot of people. It doubles up as a TV and monitor, offering Smart TV with Netflix, YouTube, and most streaming platforms, as well as connection options for most laptops, and even DeX to connect your Samsung smartphone as a computer. Not enough? It also has built-in speakers, a 4K display, and an added webcam. Insta360 ONE. Action cameras need to be versatile, able to catch every terrifying cliff jump, risky dirt bike trail, or gnarly wave while surfing. And that's where the new Insta360 ONE RS comes in. As far as action cameras go, this one is the more unique option. It uses a modular design, offering a detachable 360-degree lens, wide-angle lens, and a 4K action camera that you can easily switch between. You can also detach the battery, allowing you to carry backups that you can snap in place quickly between stunts. With the powerful ONE RS core, all new and existing wide-angle lenses can now deliver 4K 60 frame per second slow-motion footage in camera under flow state stabilization mode. Nothing ear. These new wireless earbuds are the most hyped new product in tech right now. Backed by the likes of Tony Fadell, who invented the iPod, and Casey Neistat, one of YouTube's most revered vloggers, there's a huge amount of buzz surrounding this product that aims to bring premium audio performance at a wallet-friendly price bracket. It's something that the company's CEO, Carl Pei, had a track record for at his previous mobile phone company, OnePlus, which specialized in unfussy smartphones with powerful chipsets. We can't vouch for the sound yet, but we love the design and retro-futurism aesthetic. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.